everyone, tonight I'll be making Sriracha Short Ribs. What all goes into the Sriracha Short Ribs? Originally, the recipe called for 5 pounds of short ribs. I had a hard time finding short ribs anywhere, so I found 2.5 pounds. So I will be cutting the recipe in half, except for the Sriracha sauce that goes on top. But I'll put the full recipe down in the description box below. 1/2 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/2 tablespoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 2.5 pounds of short ribs, 1/2 cup water, 1/2 cup honey, 1/4 cup sriracha, and 2 tablespoons lime juice. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. Take a small roasting pan, this is the smallest one I have, and then spray it with non-stick cooking spray. And set aside. In a small bowl, combine the 1/2 tablespoon of brown sugar, the 1/2 tablespoon of ground cumin, the 1 teaspoon of paprika, the 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So take your rub mixture and put it all over the short ribs. And rub them all over each side, and the ends. So all of the short ribs had the rub mix rubbed on them. Take your prepared roasting pan and place your ribs in the pan. Then add your 1/2 cup of water in the pan. And cover it with aluminum foil. Stick your short ribs in a preheated 400-degree oven for 2 hours or until tender. And being as I don't have 5 pounds, I'm going to check it at probably about an hour and a half. So after an hour and a half, the short ribs are done. Take them and put them on in a single file on a baking sheet that is lined with foil. Take a small bowl, dump in your 1/2 cup of honey, your 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I didn't have enough lime juice, so I have 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. I don't know how well that'll work. And then take your 1/4 cup of sriracha and stir that together. So take your glaze mix and brush it all over the short rib. Now I'm going to have extra glaze because I made the glaze for a full 5 pounds, but I figured I can save that to put it on any other kind of roasted meat and use it as a glaze. Then put it back in the oven and bake it for 15 to 20 more minutes. So here are the Sriracha short ribs, and rounding out the meal is air fryer corn on the cob. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm just going to pick this up and bite it. That's pretty good. What is it?
Sriracha short ribs.
Okay. That corn is really good.
Yeah, that's the air fryer corn on the cob that you really like.
Okay. I like them both.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.